Salvete discipuli. This is Help for Your Latin Studies, Henle First Year Latin, exercise 45. And in this exercise, we are translating phrases from English to Latin, using some newer vocabulary words that we just picked up from page 44. And that means that some of those words will be declined according to Rule 58, but some of our older vocabulary words from previous pages would be declined according to Rule 57, Lex. And so we need to be aware of the rules concerning how to decline which noun as we move forward and translate from English to Latin. So let's just dive right in. Number 1 says, on account of the welfare of the tribes. All right, I like to write out the sentence so that I can label it above. So on account of is a preposition that we know. On account of the welfare of the tribes. Okay, so this phrase here, of the tribes, is showing possession, so that's going to be a genitive noun. It's also going to be plural. Okay, and then the welfare, the case that we're going to use for the word welfare will be determined by the preposition that it's partnered with. It is the object of the preposition on account of. And that word in Latin, on account of, is propter. And propter, we have just memorized, takes the accusative case. It takes an accusative case noun. So we need to make welfare an accusative and its singular noun when we go ahead and translate this. So, put that in parentheses here. So to translate number 1, it would be propter. And then we need our word for welfare, safety. I believe that was just given a couple pages back here. Salus, salutis, safety, welfare, salvation. And that is going to be declined according to number 57. Now, it doesn't really matter because either way, the accusative singular is going to have just an em ending. So it's going to be salutem. And then we want our genitive plural of the tribes. The word for tribe is back here, gentis. And because the stem of that noun in the genitive singular is gent, it ends with 2 consonants, then I will decline it according to number 58. In this case, it does matter because I do want the genitive plural eum ending there. So I'm going to have gentium. Make sure I have my macrons correct. There's no macron on the stem there. Okay, so propter salutem gentium, on account of the welfare of the tribes. All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2, exercise 45. Part of the leaders and soldiers. So we have part of the leaders and soldiers. All right, and we have a coordinating conjunction here, and, which is balancing 2 of the same parts of speech. In this case, nouns that will be declined with the same ending. They'll be in the same case. And that case is of the, okay, of the leaders and of the soldiers. Part will be a nominative case. So we have pars, partis is the nominative singular form, is pars. And then we want the genitive plural of both leaders, then the word and then the genitive plural of the word soldiers. Okay, so those were words from before. We have soldier, miles, militis. That's going to be declined according to number 57 for soldiers. And then back even further, we have the word for leader, dux, ducis, which will also be declined according to number 57. So the genitive plural for leaders, dux, ducis, is going to be ducum. Et is for and then soldiers, again, is miles, militis, and I want the genitive plural as well. So militum. Okay, and that's number 2. And you just want to carry on for exercise 45 in that way. I hope this is helpful for you. Have a great day.